Good morning, students. Welcome to the class of Anisha, and today we'll learn something more about matrix. Today, the topic I'll include in this session will be transpose of matrix, symmetric matrix, and skew symmetric matrix, because all the three topics are very much interrelated with each other. Okay, and it is very easy and quick to understand. Okay, so let's start with the very first one, that is transpose of matrix. How can we able to find out transpose of matrix? For that, we must remember that transpose of matrix means if we are provided with some matrix A, okay, so its order is 2 cross 3. That means it has 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay, when we find out transpose of matrix, then that means its rows gets transformed to columns and columns will get transformed to rows. That means we write transpose of matrix in the form of A dash, you can say, or A transpose also you can say it. Okay, so here these row values can be written in the form of column 2, 4 and 5. Okay, now the second row elements will also become the second column 3, -1 and 6. So now we can see we are provided with 3 rows here and 2 columns here. Okay, that means we have find out the transpose of matrix. It means that the rows gets transformed to column and column gets transformed to rows. Okay, so in transpose matrix the order will get transformed. That means rows and columns will get interchanged with each other. Okay, so you must remember that if A be some matrix M cross N, then transpose of it will be N cross M order. Transpose of matrix A, the order of A dash will be N cross M. That means this row will get converted to the column and this row will get converted to another column. Okay, I think it's very easy for you to understand about transpose of matrix. Now moving ahead to symmetric matrix. Okay, first of all, symmetric matrix, the very essential condition is that it must be a square matrix. Okay, a symmetric matrix must be a square matrix such that transpose of that matrix must be equal to that matrix. This is a symmetric matrix. Okay, for example, we can see here that we are provided with some matrix A whose values are given. Okay, now we have to find out transpose of it. That means again the row will get converted to column, and again this second row will get converted to second column. Okay, now here you can verify that each and element becomes same again. Okay, that means here A dash value are all equal to A. Okay, so this condition is satisfying, and also we can see here that this is a square matrix because their order are same, so it is a symmetric matrix. It may happen sometime also that you can get some kind of square matrix where the transpose of that matrix will not be equal to the matrix itself. In that case, it will not be symmetric matrix. Okay, now moving ahead to the next topic, that is skew symmetric matrix. And again, in a skew symmetric matrix, the very first condition to be satisfied is that it must be a square matrix. Now, apart from being square matrix, the another condition is that A dash must be equal to -A. That means transpose of some matrix will be equal to negative of original matrix. For example, we can see here with an example that we are provided with some matrix A whose order is 3 cross 3. That means it is a square matrix. Now we'll find out transpose of its matrix. So transpose, again this row will get converted to the column. Second row will get converted to second column. And third row will get converted to, -1 will be here and 0. Okay, and the third row will get converted here into third column. So we can see here that its value, if we find out value of -A, negative of this matrix, then you can see the negative means every sign of each and every element will get changed. Okay, 0 remains same, otherwise all other values will sign changed. So this will become -1 and again 0. So you can compare here that a dash value 0, -3 and 5. Okay, now moving ahead 3, 0 and -1, and the last one -5, 1 and 0. So we can see here that the value of a dash is equal to -a. Okay, that means the condition of skew matrix is getting satisfied here. So this is a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, so just recapitulating it in a very short and in Hindi too, that सबसे पहले जब भी हमें ट्रांसपोज ऑफ मैट्रिक्स फाइंड आउट करना होगा तो हमें ये ध्यान रखना है कि जो भी उसका ऑर्डर होगा वो ऑर्डर विल गेट चेंज्ड। मगर ट्रांसपोज ऑफ मैट्रिक्स फाइंड आउट करने में हमें ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो एक स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स ही हो, किसी भी ऑर्डर का वो हो सकता है। एंड देन हमें बस एक ही काम करना है ट्रांसपोज ऑफ मैट्रिक्स फाइंड आउट करने में कि उसकी रो को चेंज करके हमें कॉलम में बदल देना है। एवरी रो एलिमेंट विल गेट्स कन्वर्टेड टू कॉलम एलिमेंट्स। उसके बाद सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स की कंडीशन होती है कि वो मैट्रिक्स स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स होना चाहिए एंड देन ए डैश इज इक्वल टू ए। दैट मीन्स ट्रांसपोज जब हम उसका फाइंड आउट करेंगे तो वो एक्चुअल मैट्रिक्स के ही इक्वल होना चाहिए। ओके, सो इफ वी टेक अ मैट्रिक्स एंड गेट्स ट्रांसपोज ऑफ इट, देन इफ दे आर सेम दैट मीन्स दैट इज अ सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स। इन स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स एक अलग सी चीज़ और ऐड हो जाती है कि द ट्रांसपोज ऑफ दैट मैट्रिक्स विल गेट इक्वल टू नेगेटिव ऑफ दैट मैट्रिक्स। That means if we are provided with some square matrix and we have find out the value of its transpose and its value is equal to negative of the original matrix, then that is skew symmetric matrix. I hope that you will understand these three topics of matrix, and if you feel it easy, then keep watching and like, share and subscribe my channel, and share it more and more so that other will get also benefited in this COVID situation. Thank you so much.